Whānau meeting to order. Any apologies?
Yeah, I'm sorry to be here.
Okay, general business. Koro?
No.
Tama?
Go.
Mum?
Aye.
You may speak.
Thank you. Tēnā rā tātou e te whānau. As we all know, Tamati has just got his learner's license, and I thought this might be a good opportunity for us all to talk through some rules and boundaries to keep us safe.
Whatever.
Keep the public safe, more like.
Koro!
Sorry.
The law states that you must drive with someone with a full license at all times. You need to display learner plates, and you must be off the road by 10 p.m.
Tama?
Yeah, sweet as. Can I go now?
Don't what? Just wait there. You know, you young fellas get this stuff wrong sometimes, and it's not good. Boy, you need to stick to the rules. And when you get your full licence, you can drive the beast.
Actually.
Thanks,
Koro.
No worries. All you have to do is save up some money.
For what?
Well, for insurance excess. So you need that before you drive the beast, okay? And because you're under the age of 25, it's probably around $3 or $4 grand. Then you're looking at road tax, warrant of fitness, maintenance.
Surely you can cover that until I finish school, right?
I could. But why would I rob my moko of a valuable life lesson? Yeah. Nah.
Meeting closed.
Phone, please.